Y además, como se puede ver en este vídeo, se ven perfectamente.
A wildfire in Spain, which broke out Wednesday night in the mountainous Sierra Bermeja above Estepona, continued to rage on Friday, forcing the evacuations of more than 1,000 people and has so far burned more than 3,600 hectares. More planes and a helicopter are expected to be brought to add to the already ongoing fight against the flames. But a regional fire brigade official warned the fire likely would not be brought under control until at least Saturday. Regional Environmental Chief Carmen Crespo said the blaze appeared to have been started deliberately and investigators were working to uncover more details. She also said Thursday a firefighter had died while trying to fight the flames.
Y además, como se puede ver en este vídeo, se ven perfectamente. Ahí se van viendo cómo salen de abajo varias lenguas de fuego.
Fatal, yo a la persona que ha hecho esto, lo que sea, fatal, es que...